Hi, good morning, everyone. Okay, guys, am I audible? Can someone confirm? Ashwin's,
Yes, we can hear.
you can hear, right? Okay. I hope. So in last session, just we discussed about what? Overview of what is that? AI, artificial intelligence, and what are the advantages? Got it. And what is the ML? What is the deep learning? That all we have discussed in last session. Am I right? Now, if people tell me, right, what is the AI? Anyone? What is the AI? AI, the full form of the AI is what? Artificial intelligence, and it is used or it is enable mission, learn, build, deploy, manage, and access the application is called artificial intelligence. So it will behave like a human. It will behave like a what? Humans. Am I right? That we will call it as artificial intelligence. Got it? Yeah, next. Now, what is the Azure AI? Any idea? What is the Azure AI? Anyone? What is the Azure AI? Yeah, so before going for Azure AI, just I want to let you know architecture of AI. Okay, see, this is the AI. Okay, AI it contain what? ML. What is the ML? ML is the subset of AI. Next, underlying of ML, we have deep learning. We have deep learning. We can say neural language. We can say what? It is a neural language. Clear? So, why should I go for AI? Why should I go for AI, guys? Anyone? To automate manual process. Is that one thing is to automate manual process, and it is cost effective. Okay, if there is any manual repetitive works are there, then we can go and implement AI. It will provide the beautiful insight to the customer. Based on availability of data, it will provide what is that? Beautiful insight to the customer, and it will take problem solving capabilities, and it will give you the predictions as well based on historical data. Clear? So these are the advantages of the AI. Clear? Yeah, next. Now I'm going to discuss about what is the Azure AI. Azure AI developed by Microsoft. First thing is Azure AI developed by Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft came up with pre-built services, lot of pre-built services. Okay, lot of pre-built services means, you know, right, in the market we have n number of models. All these models Microsoft maintain in centralized location. Okay, that we can call it as Azure AI Foundry. Azure AI Foundry, where we have n number of models, whatever entire world providing the various types of models for various types of sectors. All these models we can identify in centralized location. From there, we can directly integrate with your application. That is the power of what? Azure AI. Okay, so what is the Microsoft Azure AI? See, Microsoft Azure AI is the cloud-based artificial intelligence services that provide tools, models, and infrastructure to help business and developers build, deploy, and scale your AI application. It's called Microsoft Azure AI. Okay, what is the Microsoft Azure AI? It is a cloud-based artificial intelligence services. It provides a number of tools, models, and infrastructure to help business and developers to deploy, manage, access AI application. Is called Azure AI. So, what are the advantages of the Azure AI? As you said, right, it provides pre-built services. For example, Microsoft providing around 120, what is that, pre-built models. Okay, on top of it, based on your data, you can go and deploy these models. Then it will provide the predictions. It will provide problem solving capabilities. It will provide what? Beautiful insight to the customers. Okay, yeah, see, ready to use models, vision, speech, language, and decision making. What is that? Microsoft providing pre-built AI models. They are ready to use for vision, speech, language, decision making services. Okay, if you are not happy with these models, directly you can customize it existing models. I am repeating, see, they are providing some ABC XYZ model. You have implemented, it is not suitable for your project requirement. Then same model you can modify it. That we can call them as what? Custom model. Okay, yeah, see, custom model, train and deploy your own AI models using Azure Machine Learning. Using Azure Machine Learning. So scalability, run AI workloads on powerful cloud infrastructure. Okay, scalability in the sense based on your business requirement, based on demand. Okay, based on availability, based on usage. According to that backend, the infrastructure will scale out and scale in. Okay, that is the wonderful feature. Next, integration. Work with Azure services, data, IoT, analytics services. We can integrate directly these services so that we can track the logs effectively. And security and complaints. Security and complaint is the key factor for any service in Azure. So Microsoft is they are spending a lot of billions of dollars to provide lot of security for our data. Okay, they are providing enterprise grade security with compliance certifications. Okay, so you know, right? Russia, India, China, and UK, Germany, Japan, they will have their own complaints. Microsoft satisfies and completed those complaints and provided as per their security rules and governance. They have provided a security as per their rules and governance rules. Clear? Yeah. So these are the advantages of the Azure AI. So what is the first advantage of the Azure AI? They are providing pre-built services. If you are not happy with, you can go for custom. Then they are providing scalability, integration, and security and compliance. Okay, this is the powerful what is that? It is the powerful of Microsoft Azure AI services which they are providing and advantages. Okay, so major components of Azure AI. Okay, they are providing a lot of AI services, as I said, pre-built AI models, and they are providing what? Azure OpenAI services. Okay, you know, right? Microsoft OpenAI both together partnership, and both together they are launching n number of models. Directly, you can integrate these models with your application. One thing you need to remember here, the models will get changed, guys. Models are getting changed. Every 1 month, old model will get deprecated. In place of that, they are providing new model. You have to use it. Okay, you know, right now changes are rapidly happening in the market. Okay, old models are getting deprecated immediately, and in place of that new model they are introducing, you have to use new model for existing your application. Okay, yeah, next. Now, whatever services they are providing with OpenAI, like ChatGPT, all these services Microsoft directly can integrate with their own product, Microsoft product. Why? Because both together made partnership, very strong partnership, and both together, whatever the services they are developing, Microsoft directly integrate with their products. Okay, so these all see vision, speech, language, decision making services. Okay, yeah, next. What is the Azure Machine Learning? Again, Azure Machine Learning, they are providing AutoML. AutoML means they are providing predefined models. Directly, you can integrate with your data. Okay, they have provided a number of predefined models for mobile industry, banking, BFS. I can say BFS. BFS means banking and finance sector, healthcare domain, manufacturing domain, education, and HR, sales. For all these sectors, they have provided n number of models. Directly, you can integrate with them. If you are not happy with that, you can do little bit customization. Okay, yeah, so that's what. See, Azure Machine Learning train, test, and deploy AI models at scalable. It supports Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and other ML frameworks. Okay, automates ML workflows with AutoML and machine learning. Okay, Azure AI infrastructure. See, this is a high performance and the GPU, graphical process unit. CPU is the legacy. TPU is the what? Tensor process unit. This is high cost, guys. TPU is the high cost. Very high cost. So most of the AI workloads are at this moment they are deploying in GPU process, guys. Okay, it support AI supercomputing and large scale ML training. Large scale ML training. So large scale ML training means, for example, there is a Instagram. Instagram, it is the total worldwide data we have. Okay, so to train that much social media data and all, it is not a small task, right? You should consider all availability of data in Instagram and provide the insights. So if we have such case of large data modeling, then Microsoft that also support large scale ML training. Okay, so this is the advantage of the Azure ML. Okay, so where we can use Azure AI. I said right, chatbots and visual assistant. Okay, AI powered customer support. You know, right? HDFC Bank, ICICI, they are providing virtual assistant. If you would like to apply one credit card, just upload your documents. That's it. So remaining, they will verify and issue the credit card. If CBIL score, everything is good. You need not call to customer care, apply. You need not have to follow follow up. Many follow-ups are not required. Clear? Image and video analysis. Automatically content moderation and object detection. Okay. Speech, predictive analysis, healthcare domain. In all these sectors, Azure AI are widely using in the market. Okay. Yeah. Next. Why should I choose Azure AI? See, there are a number of AI, open source AI, got it. And we have Meta, we have AWS AI. Coming to the Google, we have Gemini. Okay, we have many, what is that? AI and ML models are, but why should I choose Azure AI? As I said, it is a pre-built AI services and fast and easy to use. Okay, Azure Cognitive Services, now we are replacing with what? AI services. Azure Cognitive Services, now they are what? Are replacing with what? All predefined models, directly you can use it. See, Azure Cognitive Services, ready-made AI model for vision, speech, language, and decision-making services. Okay, so Azure OpenAI, whatever the services OpenAI they are launching, directly we can integrate with what? Our application, guys. Why? Because we are accessing them through Azure portal. Okay, in other words, we can say we are accessing through Azure compliance, Azure security, enterprise grade security. Okay, yeah, next. Now that's what here it is showing access advanced models like GPT-4, chatbot, summarization, and many more. Okay, no need to build from scratch. Why? Because they are providing pre-built services, right? You need not have to worry from build each and every solution from scratch. Okay, now no one is interested build the application from the scratch. Okay, they are using market available templates. From there, they are starting customize it. Okay, see what they are doing, just integrate APIs to your application. This all I am going to explain it, guys. For example, you would like to add real-time speech to text in your app. Use Azure API speech instead of building AI model from the scratch. Why? Because they are already developing the n number of ML models. Directly you can integrate with your application. You feel that you are using AI services feature, but internally we are calling Azure AI services. Okay, yeah, next. If you are not happy with that, directly you can access what is that? Custom AI with Azure Machine Learning. Train Auto ML for beginners, ML apps for enterprises. Help to large scale AI deployment and management. You can go for ML apps. Now you people are asking about dev apps, right? In place of that, it is going to be replaced with ML apps. Okay, I can say almost AI is end of era. DevOps is end of era. In place of that, ML is replacing, guys, slowly. Okay, yeah, next. Now scalable infrastructure. You need not worry about infrastructure part. You can scale out, scale in based on demand. Okay, yeah, see, run AI powerful GPU and TPU, guys. Microsoft is the one and only one. They are providing TPU infrastructure to train large model efficiently. Okay, next, AI supervising supercomputing on Azure. AI is what? Supercomputing on Azure. You can go for flexible pay-as-you-go model. Okay, it is seamless integration with Microsoft and other tools. Already AI integrated with M365, Power BI, Dynamic 365, Azure DevOps. Okay, it support IoT, databases, and Cosmos DB, other business related apps. Okay, so anyhow, they are providing enterprise grade security. You need not worry about security of your data. Why? Because Microsoft maintaining the security in data level, data center level, networking level, cluster level, data rack level, entire data center level. See these many layers, Microsoft maintaining the security for our data. If anyone would like to hack it, they have to cross these many layers. Okay, yeah, see, enterprise grade security in the sense data privacy and security compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO standard. Okay, it is role-based access control. Any service you can manage the permission. For example, we both together working in team. You need to access the AI model. I need to access ML models. So based on security, based on roles and responsibility, we can segregate the roles and responsibilities. We can provide the permission to the customers. Okay, yeah, next. This is cost effective and flexible pricing, guys. Cost effective and flexible pricing. You can go for pay as you go model, free trial, enterprise security for large workloads. Okay, yeah, so these are all about what is that? Why should I choose AI? This is the summary of the Azure AI. See, easier AI development, scalable and powerful, secure and enterprise grade security, flexible and cost effective. These are the summary of AI. So you may have query that what is the TPU? It is same, guys. Now our laptops, we are using GPU, CPU, Central Process Unit. Okay, if it is gaming application, if you would like to run it, then you have to use GPU processor laptops. You know, right in our home, if any kids, if they would like to play games with effective performance, then they have to take the laptop with GPU based laptop. Okay, GPU, it will provide what is that? Very good performance for gaming laptops and all. Then you can it can reach up to your expectations. Okay, yeah, next, TPU is the tensor process unit. So big scale applications, big scale AI application to deploy, we will use TPU. See, TPU, tensor processing unit, it is a specialized AI accelerator chip designed by Google especially for machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so it is optimized TensorFlow computer and provide faster processing and low power consumption compared to traditional GPU and CPU, guys. TPU is the latest. Okay, if you are expecting good performance, okay, you can use it for what? TPU, Tensor Process Unit. Okay, what is the difference between TPU, GPU, and CPU? See, TPU is AI and ML workloads, optimized matrix operations, high power and deep learning models, NLP AI supercomputing. The GPU is graphical process unit and parallelly computing, high parallel processing, medium gaming applications. Gaming, AI video, rendering. CPU, anyhow our laptops we are using. Low parallelism and standard application OS related tasks. Okay, this is the difference between CPU, GPU, and TPU. Okay, yeah. So TPU latest version is TPU V4. V means version 4. Next generation use Google AI supercomputing. Okay, yeah. Next. Now, this is the overview of Azure AI. So Azure AI data centers, they are providing GPU and TPU workloads. Directly, you can deploy your custom AI applications, AI custom machine learning models. Okay, guys. Do you have any questions so far? So I would like to summarize it, how data is transforming. You know, right? First, data is in on-premises. And now data is moving to what? Cloud computing. Now entire data is in cloud computing. To manipulate this data, we can use AI. Okay. Data at cloud, information is there. There is a lot of information. Every day, industry, IT industry, other sector, they are generating, what is that? Massive amount of data. When there is a massive amount of the data, we can manipulate it. Manipulate it in a sense, we can pull the insight from existing data. We can take decision making. It will provide problem solving capabilities. It will analyze and provide the, what is that, solutions, where you need to improve, what has to be improved, and what are the things need to be implemented to, what is that, improve our business. That all it will provide beautiful insights. Okay, I said, right, Bill Gates and other top enterprise people are saying that in next 10 years, there is no training instructor and there is no doctor as well. These necessity is not required. Why? Because uh, everything taken care by AI itself, artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is the overview. Okay, how the data is transforming, what is the data center, what is the cloud, why should I go for cloud? Okay, what are the types of cloud service deployments they are providing? Okay, that all we have discussed. Again, I am repeating, by default, all Azure AI services comes under what? PaaS. There are three types of cloud service deployment models: as, PaaS, other one is what? SaaS. Okay, most of the Azure AI services comes under PaaS, guys, platform as a services. Okay. Yeah, so this is the overview, how we can implement and all. So directly here, Microsoft providing ai.azure.com. This is the direct URL where we can deploy our AI services. Okay. Instead of that, go to, what is that? Azure.microsoft.com. Okay, Azure.microsoft.com. It's a beautiful, what is that, URL provided by Microsoft, where it contain all documentation for Azure, guys. Okay, so you have to go for a free trial. Okay, what is that? You have to go for free trial. The free trial would be 30 days. Up to 30 days, you can deploy and test it out all Microsoft Azure AI's provided services. And if required, you can directly integrate with your application. Okay, there is no upfront and cost. You can cancel it anytime. Okay, if you want to do more and all more, then you have to go for pay as you go model. What is that? Pay as you go model. So there is a explore Azure AI, then it will provide the AI related information. Okay, see, get started with Azure. Explore report AI Foundry. AI Foundry is the portal where we can train, develop, deploy, and access AI applications and machine learning, guys. Okay, that is what AI Foundry. Okay, see, deploy the best model for your job. The best model for your job in the sense, I am in healthcare domain. It will analyze based on your data. It will deploy healthcare related models. For example, mine is automobile industry. Data is belongs to automobile industry where we are saving. So based on the data, automatically it will decide. Automatically it will decide and deploy the, what is that? automobile industry related models, then it will provide the best insight to the customer. Okay, customize your agent toolchain and protect every app layer with safeguards. Need not worry about what is that security. Security is for everyone's responsibility, not by government, not by your sector. Okay, it is a security in the sense everyone's responsibility. Now we are calling it as global security. Global security means inside and outside, you have to take care about your security. Okay, data security. Okay, everything, guys. Next, manage and optimize AI apps at scale. Scale in the sense based on the demand, background, infrastructure can increase or decrease. For example, 10 lakhs users are hitting my application, or 10 lakhs users are accessing my AI services. For all 10 lakhs users, we should provide the infrastructure, right? Backend, I have created n number of clusters, then cluster will manage the AI related requests. Okay, assume that all of a sudden my request dropped to 10,000. At this moment, 10,000 users are accessing my application. According to the load, it should adjust the what? Infrastructure. Or else cost will be high, right? So that's what it is saying, cost effective. Whenever, wherever it is required, automatically it will implement what? Services, guys. Okay. So this is about what? AI. I have provided beautiful information. Just verify, go through that. Now, to deploy AI related services, we have to subscribe for Azure free trial. Okay, it's not a rocket science. What is that? It's not a rocket science. I will provide the details. See, to subscribe for Azure free trial, first you need to provide your info. Your info in the sense first name, last name, address details, etc. etc. Second thing is mobile number. You have to enter mobile number. You will get 6-digit OTP. You have to enter what? 6-digit OTP that need to be entered. Okay. Third one is enter the credit card details. Third one is enter the credit card details. So once you have entered the credit card details, you will be debited 2 rupees. That amount will be credited back to your account. So totally you will get 60,700 free credits. You can get free credits that can be used for 30 days, guys. After 30 days, automatically your account will get deactivated. Okay, fourth one is agree terms and conditions. Fourth one is agree terms and conditions. After that, you can access the Azure portal. Okay, so see here only, get started with Azure. Click on it. You can enter your email ID, username and password. Okay, try with Azure. Here you need to enter your Gmail account or Yahoo, Outlook, any account you can use it. Okay, so here you have to enter. If people try it out, as I said, you have to follow only 4 steps. Okay, once you have entered 4 steps, automatically what? Your account will be created so that you can deploy our AI related services. AI related services. Clear? So URL is what? I am pinging azure.microsoft.com. I am pinging in the chat. You can verify one time. Okay. So I do not want push entire information in single day. Going forward, one by one, we will look into that. Before coming to the session tomorrow, please subscribe for Azure free trial. Tomorrow, I am going to show you what are the syllabus I am going to cover for AZ 900 and 102. Next, I will show you how to deploy one sample AI services in Azure. That all we will see in next session. Clear? Sidhu, again the Sachin, Arshita.
Sir, yes, sir.
Am
Sir,
I audible, guys?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Together?
Yes.
Sir, I have one query. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm totally new about this application. See, I'm quite opposite of IT. Can I eligible for to learn this technology?
Yeah, everyone can learn. See, AI is the platform. All applications are come and sits on top of AI only, right? So AI is the what? What is the AI? Where we have the data on top of it, train, deploy, and access these models and directly integrate with your application.
Okay.
So uh, everyone is eligible to learn AI, guys. Why? Because it is widely implementing in all sectors.
Okay.
Okay, again
Will I
done.
will I know any language for this? Or
Yeah, Python is required. I will explain about Python.
okay.
See, my application, I have developed using Python. How I can integrate AI with Python? That is the one query, right? Where exactly we will use Python, how we can consume these services in Python language, Python applications. Okay, I will explain about Python as well. I will take 15 days sessions on Python. Then directly, I can show you how to integrate these services with Python directly.
Okay. Python means, sir, total knowledge on full knowledge on Python, right?
Yeah,
Or
not required.
basic,
That's what.
basic,
Basics are enough, guys.
basic. Okay.
Yeah. Python language widely using, guys. No alternative. You cannot escape. Why? Because if AI, ML and all, main core language is Python. Even though there are Java, .NET, PHP, many things are there, but Python is the market leader.
Basic is enough for sir, right?
Yeah, yeah. If you learn basic, then we will move forward here.
Anything required, sir, for to learn this?
Sorry?
If anything required for learn this?
Nothing. Python, I will explain you basics and all. Data types, how we can call functions and all.
Okay.
Sachin, do you have any queries?
Yeah, I do have queries. So, number one, as you mentioned, Azure AI ML. So, in data engineering, we are doing ETL processes, correct? So, we are
Okay.
fetching the data, we are cleaning the data, uh, we are deploying to Synapse, which is used by Power BI. So, I just want to understand how AI is going to help us in ETL process. I believe this is the predefined services, similar like ADA of ADB, if my
Uh,
understanding is correct. So
ah,
this AI, how it is going to help? I understand from you, it is going to help us somewhere on the transformation. So are we going to skip that ADB's process, which we are doing using a price park or something?
see, ADP, ADF, Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Bricks, they are articulating and manipulating the data. Am I right?
Yes, yes,
So if you are storing the data in SQL Server, beautifully it is formatting and give it to you. That's it. Am I right?
yes.
Yeah, if there is any raw data, it is processing and required data, it is displaying for you and designing in, where is that? In various beautiful graphical design and all. Azure Data
Mhm.
Factory and Databricks. Anyhow, you are using SQL Synapse. SQL Synapse is the location where we can store the data, structured data or
Right.
unstructured data. So AI on top of it, we will implement AI. Are you getting?
No, I'm not getting you.
Yeah, data is there. On top of it, implement the artificial intelligence. It will provide beautiful insight to the customer. They can analyze and where they can implement and they can get insight to the customers. Using those insight, they can develop their businesses. Okay. Accuracy information they will provide. Many things are there. Got it, Sachin?
I'm really sorry, I didn't get you. Is AI is going to replace the process which ADB or ADF is doing, or you mean to say top up on it means where it is going to come in the picture?
I will not say it is not going to be replaced. See, ADB, ADF are different. AI is different. ADB,
Yeah,
ADF
I
are
got
what?
it.
ADF are predefined, what is that workflows which contain, it will process your data and display the required data. That's it. Am I right? Data only it is displaying. Am I right? Here it is displaying predictions, okay, classification, and providing the beautiful models where we can get the insights. By using this insight, we can think about our business. Okay, that all features are there. Whatever
You
you are
mean to
saying,
say
that is one part. AI is the different part.
you mean to say visualization, which Power BI is to do. It is going to help us to build the visualization.
Yes. Yeah, visualization. See, there is a beautiful data they have provided inside prediction and all. To display that beautiful data, obviously we can use Power BI, Power Apps, right?
Correct, correct.
Yes, yes. So to display that insight and all, we will use AI.
Instead of Power BI.
Yes. Any confusion, Sachin? No, right?
For that, which our data should be correct. Then only we can get the
Yeah, see, actually, if you go for full data science course, no, data science. I'm not sure,
Mhm.
but data science course should be, they will teach about Python fully package and ML, core ML, and how they have to use ML in AI. Okay, how to integrate AI with their applications, and the Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and they should discuss about data analytics. Okay, they should explain all these things. That all comes under data scientist.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, this is Sigundar. I told you before, say I'm quite opposite of IT sector. Then where
Yeah.
I will put my resume, how much experience for to get this job?
Yeah,
How much?
so AI is the new in the market, right? So you can grab the experience. Experience could be anything, any sector, no worries. So same experience, if people can convert it into, we worked on AI, create and provision the services, consuming the services for my application. That all you can convert your resume into, what is that, AI? Then you can start searching the jobs. Why? Because it is new. There would be a lot of openings. Once you enter into the company, to understand, to get the knowledge itself, it will take 6 months in offices. So
Okay.
that would be great feature. Why? Because AI implementation started just now. Okay, nowadays, not previously. And now most of the companies, they are investing on AI itself.
Okay.
Got it? Whatever the layoffs are happening, whatever the saving the amount by layoffing the people employees, entire that amount they are investing on AI only.
Okay. Sir, this is new, right? Now in the market. See, how many means experience I want to put it in resume?
Yeah, depends on requirement. See, new in the sense last 2 years, entire market is shaking, right? So
Okay.
people are analyzing and moving slowly entire this project. See, for example, HDFC Bank already integrated AI, HDFCbank.com. This is the AI chatbot, guys. I will show you. Go to HDFC.com. Java. Here it is displaying Java. Here it will display Java. See. You see, this is the AI chatbot. If I type credit, see, apply credit card, directly it is coming.
Okay.
I want debit card. See, apply, what is that? Debit card and all. This is the AI related chatbot, guys. See, at this moment, they are providing two languages, English and Hindi also it is supporting. But going forward, it support all languages in the world.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So see, when I click on it, I need to apply the credit card for HDFC Bank. It is processing my request and response will be back to the client. Okay, so like see, this is where exactly we are implementing AI. You got, I hope
Yes,
you got it.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Through Azure AI, you
Yes,
will.
this is the Azure AI. It
Okay.
is the Azure chatbot they are implementing. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, when I type it, hi, how can I help you today? Need home loan. Then it will give the information. Apply it. Home loan. See how easy it is, guys. Got it. So this is about where exactly people are implementing. Many wonderful, beautiful things are there. Going forward, I will explain you one by one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But enter into the AI, guys, now. Okay, you know, right? Technology is like a super fast. By know the people everything about it, it's already end of era. That is how IT market now. Trust me, yesterday also I said, cloud computing came into the picture in the year 2010. By the time people to know what is the cloud, to transform these people for cloud, it has taken 10 years. By 2020, 90% applications are sitting in cloud computing only. So people to know what is the cloud and all, it has taken 10 years. By the time we came to know cloud, already 90% of application in the cloud. That is how in the market. Okay. Now people are implementing widely AI. If we enter into the organization in using AI technologies and all, no, we'll have better future. I can, at least we will be there in the IT industry next 4 to 5 years. That's what I can say. Now it is cloud computing. Now we can expect quantum computing. Okay, another 4 to 5 years, you will get quantum computing. We may not know what is the advanced feature of that. That's what. Okay.
Uh,
Thank you, everyone.
Shekhar,
Tomorrow I'm going to
She-
discuss about, I will deploy one AI services and I will show you what are the syllabus I am going to cover. That all we will complete it in next session. Okay. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Good day. Take care.